Hello students, welcome to my channel Anna's Tutorial. Today's topic is a biography writing. Charlie Chaplin. Charlie Chaplin was a worldwide person. He was one of the greatest actors and filmmakers. He was born on 16th April in 1889 in London. His father, Charles Spencer Chaplin, was a fairly successful singer. His mother, Hannah Hill Chaplin, a talented singer, actress, and piano player. He lived only with his mother in extreme poverty. Chaplin passed hard times as a child and started giving musical performances when he was only. He was associated with studios in Hollywood in 1914 where he acquired great fame as an actor. He built his own studio in 1918. Charlie Chaplin made many movies like Great Dictator, The Circus, The Little Tramp, etc. are his great films. He was a man of stature with the fair head and he could make the people laugh even with no sound. Even though his films were black and white, he put a lot of color into everyone's life. He was honored the Knighthood Award in 1975. The great filmmaker Charlie Chaplin died on 25th December in 1977. He will remain in our hearts forever through his great works. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.